Hey guys, Shadow here again from the Shadow Realm for another Marvel Strike Force video. Now we are, if you followed the first video, we're now going to go into node 2 of the skill nodes. So let's get this going. So as you've seen from the first video, if you watched hopefully, you could see how easy it was to rattle through. So let's keep this going. Gonna spread those defense downs. Does he do again? Apply offense number 2 turns on the primary target. I just want Silver Samurai away. Okay, we are going to deflect. Balls. Okay, this seems to be like we're just gonna maybe lose this potentially, but we'll see what happens. I'm hoping, all being well, we can knock these out of the park. Just knock him out. We're gonna go for obviously green, or not Green Goblin, Ghost Rider, because it is a pain if he lives long. Because ultimately I would like to, you want to knock him out as quick as possible. That's him. Obviously, death pull is a bit of an issue, but with all these buffs added on, you know, it's not the worst. So again, we're gonna do this. Anti-Venom's got defense down, so I'll trigger Kestrel. Keep popping these off. So even though it looked like we had a lot of squeaky bum time at the very start because of the lack of like specials geared up there, this team still hits ridiculously hard. Now I'm gonna save the special there just for the next round. Wolverine hits like a truck, so that's okay. And we've got Fury ultimate for next round as well, which is good. So even though it did have a rocky start, and I'm gonna have to use heals for next round, you know, the team can still win. Fury and World War I Cap together still, that really does help. So yeah, hopefully you enjoyed that video, but look at your specials for the next round, maybe better than I did, and you shouldn't have any issues at all. But we'll go into the boss node now, and I'll show you how then to beat it too. See you soon.